Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix iMessage notification not working on iPhone. If iMessage notifications are not working on your iPhone, here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the issue. First of all, you have to do is check do not disturb mode and your silent mode. Ensure that your iPhone is not in do not disturb mode or in silent mode. When your device is in these mode, notifications are silent. You can check this by swiping down from the right corner of your or from the top right corner of your screen, and you can see your option do not disturb. If it's turned on, then simply turn it off back. After this, then you have to do is check your notification settings. Confirm that you have enabled notification for your iMessages. You have to go to your settings, go to notifications, now scroll down, then go to messages. Now you have to make sure that the allow notifications are turned on. If this doesn't work, then you have to do is check your internet connection. iMessages notifications rely on an active internet connection. Secure that your Wi-Fi or cellular data is working properly. If you have a poor connectivity, it might impact notification. After this, you have to do is check your date and time settings. Incorrect date and time settings can cause issues with notifications. So you have to go to your settings, tap on general, tap on date and time, and you have to make sure that set automatically is turned on. After this, then you have to do is check your update for iOS version. Outdated software can cause notification problem. Indicate that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. Go to your software update and check if there is any available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS. After this, and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is check for iOS restriction or notification restriction. If your device is under parental control or restriction, it may limit notification for certain apps. So you have to go to your settings, go to screen time, now tap on content or privacy restriction, and if it's turned on, then you have to turn it off back. After trying this all solution and still facing the issue again and again, then you have to do is reset all settings. You can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. This will not erase your data but will reset your settings to their default. To do this, you have to open your general, scroll down, then tap on transfer reset iPhone, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.